Hello and welcome. I'm Nathan42, and in this video I'm just going to talk about this cool little thing that I've made over here, which is to mount this under here. Okay, so I made this in FreeCAD, which is a great software. I spent a couple of different iterations, as you can see over here. We've got ones that were too big, ones that were too small, and then ones that were just about right. And this one, I'd say, is near enough perfect. Now, the thing with this one is I did print it with two different types of filament. As you can see, the tips of this are purple, which isn't great, but I still think I'll probably maybe spray paint it and stick it underneath here, or I'll do something to it, maybe just neaten it up and stick it under there. It should be fine for what it needs, because if we get this, my idea was you stick this underneath and you just kind of push this into here, if I can see what I'm doing. There we go. And that slides in there and sits nicely. And if you can see, I'll push it side to side. There's no real wiggle room there. It fits real good. If I turn it over, you can see that it's pretty solid on top of there, and you can slide it off. At the front, it's got a lipped design to make it so that it should, if you push it against this, just want to take it in. So hopefully you push it against this, it'll want to take it in, and then as long as your counter is not a bit of a wonk, it shouldn't fall out the front, because it's got the bit at the back to make sure it's secure. That actually dips down a bit more because I thought that this might have been a bit looser, so I wanted to give it a bit of leeway just in case it is dipping down a bit. But it actually is very secure, so that leeway wasn't really required. Maybe I'll remove that leeway in a further revision of this model, but for now, and the other thing, the middle bit where you put the screw in is recessed, and it is also has a screw slant, I guess you call it, or whatever, so that if you was to screw that into the wood, then you can have a flat screw head with this face down here, which means that the screw face should never get to this level, which is what, I don't know why that's all so bad now. That filament must have been getting bad. Which means that when you go to put this across here, it should be nowhere near the screw, which means that it won't mark the nice glass, essentially, surface. I think it's glass surface of this. If not, then some sort of plastic. But that is it for me this time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.